Okay, next is on the basis of liability. So there are three types of liability. You can share limited by shares, limited by guarantee, and unlimited company. As I explained you, limited by shares. If I having holding a shares of rupees 20,000, that means I have liability of rupees 20,000. That is limited by shares. How much shares you are holding, that is your limited. That's your liability you have to pay afterwards. Okay, limited by guarantee. For example, say you have purchase your shares. While purchasing, you have to give the guarantee. Like if I'll not pay afterwards, so he will pay. Guarantor. You can go with guarantor that I will not pay, so he will pay in behalf of me. Okay. So this is your liability by guarantee. Third is unlimited company. That is unlimited. You can say that. For example, say you are having the share of rupees 2 lakh, but you are in the liability on the basis of liability. You are the unlimited company. You have purchase of shares of from the company, that is unlimited company. That means you have purchased 2 lakh rupees ka shares. Then too you have to pay more. That means you have more liability in yours. बिकॉज अगर मैं आपको बोलूं जैसे कि कंपनी में लॉस हो गया, 10 लाख का लॉस हो गया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अज्यूम दैट कंपनी को लॉस हुआ 10 लाख का. हाउ मच यू आर होल्डिंग योर शेयर्स इज 2 लाख रुपीज. यू हैव टू पे मोर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से इन दिस कंपनी देयर आर 4 shareholders are there. So for each shareholder the contribute is 2,50,000. Even though you have 2 lakh ka shares, you have to pay 2,50,000 because it's unlimited company. Clear that? There are three types of liability: limited by shares, limited by guarantee, and unlimited company. Limited by shares matlab how much your shares holding with you, that is limited by shares. Limited by guarantee, that means you have to take with guarantor while purchasing the shares. And third one is unlimited company, where even though you have a lesser shares amount of shares, but you have to pay more. Third one is on the basis of numbers of members. So anyone has any idea that in private company or in public company, how many members are there?
प्राइवेट में कुछ 50 होता है ना.
पहले था इन अगर आप वो देखोगे इन 1956 एक्ट में, सो प्राइवेट कंपनी वाज मैक्सिमम लिमिट वाज 50 मेंबर्स, बट इन द 2013 एक्ट देयर वाज 200 मेंबर्स मैक्सिमम.
200.
पहले 50 था मिनिमम. यहाँ पे बोला था कि इन प्राइवेट कंपनी देयर आर मिनिमम 2 persons, but maximum is 50 till 1956, like till 2013. After 2013 there is a increase to 200 members. Okay, so in public company you can say that minimum is 7 and maximum is unlimited. There is no limit in that. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So next you have to study about the share capital. What do you mean by share capital? Amount of you can say that amount of capital raised through issue of shares. Like company, if company wants the capital, so they can issue the shares. They will get the share capital. Clear that? So share capital is like you can say that amount of capital is raised through issue of shares by a company in return for cash or other consideration. Company issue share for they get the something in return for a consideration. Clear? They get in cash or they get in a kind, something like that. Share means a share in the share capital of the company. Share. What do you mean by share? So it's a share. इन द शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ अ कंपनी, यू कैन से दैट, आप बोलोगे नाम में ही पूरा शेयर हो गया, तो शेयर का मतलब क्या है कि शेयर कैपिटल जो आपने इकट्ठा किया है लाइक टुगेदर, उसमें से जो हिस्सा है आपका वो थोड़ा सा शेयर में आएगा। तो नॉर्मली शेयर मीन्स वही हो गया आपका कितना पार्ट है का क्या शेयर कैपिटल में से आपका पार्ट कितना है उसमें से। फॉर एग्जाम्पल से अगर देयर आर फोर शेयर होल्डर्स आर देयर, so one are individually like contributing 1 lakh. So what will be your share is 1 lakh. Okay, it's called that share. Share means a share in the share capital of a company. शेयर होल्डर्स लाइक कैसे करते हैं, अपना अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हैं बिजनेस में यूज करने के लिए, एंड इट मे बी शेयर कैपिटल इज लाइक लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस, यू कैन से दैट, इंक्लूडिंग स्टॉक्स ऑल्सो. So there are two types of shares. The kind of shares are preference shares and equity shares. So you can see that preference shares and equity shares issued by a company. See what do you mean by preference shares? You can say that the issue by a company having a fixed rate of dividend, and preference shares you can say that it's a preferential right they get, and equity shares do not have any preferential rights. Like equity shares are the owners of the company, you can say that, but they don't get the preferential rights for while getting the dividend, you can say, because अगर कंपनी को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो पहले वो लोग डिविडेंड किसको देंगे, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स को देंगे, बिकॉज नाम में ही वो लोग का बताया वो लोग को प्रेफरेंस देना है उनको. सो दे गेट प्रेफरेंशियल राइट्स ऑल्सो and they get fixed rate of dividend also, but as compared to equity shares they don't get the fixed rate of returns like dividend and all. Okay, but they get voting rights in the company. Vote, hello, वोटिंग राइट्स मीन्स अगर आपको कुछ वोट वगैरह करना है, जैसे कि अगर आपको यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी, सो यू कैन वोट. So voting rights is available for equity shareholder, not preference shareholder.
हाँ दिन भर नहीं खेलती है, कमी ज्यादा बोल 3-4 बजे थोड़ी देर की जाके और मोबाइल चलाए हम लोग बर्तन धोएंगे. क्या काम करता है तो मोबाइल आ गया.
Okay, so we'll continue. So as I explain you what is share capital. Share capital comes through by raising the shares of the company. In return, they get the consideration also like cash and all. There are two types of shares, preference shares and equity shares. Preference shares means company having the fixed rate of dividend and preferential rights also. But in as compared to equity shares, they do not carry any preferential rights and not fixed rate of return, and they get full voting rights also. While appointing to the directors or shareholders, they get full rights. Clear, everyone? Okay, we'll next. So next is types of, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया types of share capital. We have seen that the kind of shares we have seen, like there are two types of shares, preference shares and equity shares. These are the types of share capital. How many types of share capital are there? 6 types of capitals are there. First is authorized capital, issue capital, subscribe capital, reserve capital, called up capital and paid up capital. Okay. So first is authorized capital. So you can say that it's a amount of capital that is company is authorizing to share raise your shares by public subscription. You can say that. Authority दिया हुआ है पर्सन को, लाइक कंपनी इतना ऑथोराइज दिया हुआ है कि इससे ज्यादा शेयर आप इशू नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज ऑथोराइज कैपिटल. There is a maximum amount of capital which company gives you to raise your raise by way of public subscription. Clear? Next is issue of capital. Like it's a part of authorized capital. You can say that they have offered to the public for the subscription. It's called issue capital. How much you are issuing to the public, how much you are offering to the people. It's issue capital. Next is subscribe capital. So you can say that how many applications are received. Okay. Hello. Everyone is getting
Yeah.
my point?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's you can say that ये issue capital is the part of authorized capital. You can say that the subscribe capital is a part of issue capital, and from that, how much applications are received from the public, you can call it. And fourth one is called up capital. Like over here, I have written. You can say that it's it's a part of subscribe capital. You can say that. Which have been you have called up or demanded by the company, you can say. Okay. So next is paid up capital. It's you can call that like it's a called up capital. It's a part of called up capital. You can say that, which is offeredly like how much members are paying for that. So it's a paid up capital is what you can say that the जितने लोगों को आपने कॉल करके बुलाया है, मतलब इन कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल जितने लोगों को आपने कॉल करके बुलाया है, उसमें से कितने लोगों ने कंपनी के शेयर्स लेने में एक्सेप्ट किया है, दैट इज पेड अप कैपिटल. हाउ मच पर्सन्स आर लाइक पेइंग फॉर दैट. You can say because any unpaid amount of you get it like you called up the capital, it's called unpaid capital. You can say that also. Because जैसे आपने किसी को कॉल करके बुलाया, फर्स्ट क्या होता है, आपने कितना कंपनी को ऑथराइज कितना है वो आपने देखा. सेकेंड इज इशू कैपिटल, हाउ मच यू, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑथराइज कैपिटल, हाउ मच यू हैव इशू टू द पब्लिक ऑफर्स. इन फ्रॉम दैट हाउ मच पीपल्स आर सब्सक्राइबिंग योर कैपिटल. For that, how much you have called them and how much they have paid your for your subscription. After whatever amount is balancing, it's called reserve capital. You can say that it's a portion of issue of and supply. It's not payment has been done yet. You can say that. Okay, it's a reserve capital. Company you can say that at the time of company is winding up ना, they reverse like reserve the shares. Because अगर क्या होगा पता है, अगर हम लोग मेरे को अगर फॉर एग्जांपल से बोलूं जैसे कि मेरी कंपनी है एंड मेरी कंपनी में मुझे 1 लाख का अगर शेयर्स ऑथराइज किया है, सो 1 लाख का ऑथराइज किया है तो उसमें से मैं इशू कितना करती हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल से अगर आप बोलोगे 1 लाख में से 70,000 मैंने इशू कर दिया, 70 में से सब्सक्राइब जरूरी नहीं है सब लोग खरीदेंगे ही, तो हो सकता है 70 में से 50 लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया. अभी 50 लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है, अभी 50 लोगों को मैं कितने लोगों को उसमें से कॉल करके बुलाऊंगी, कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल कितने लोगों को मैं कॉल करके बुलाऊंगी. अभी जरूरी नहीं मैंने जितने लोगों को भी कॉल करके बुलाया है वो सब लोग शेयर्स खरीदेंगे ही. उसमें से जितने लोगों ने पैसा दिया होगा दैट इज पेड अप कैपिटल. बाकी का जितने भी शेयर्स बचे हैं 1 लाख में से, क्योंकि मेरे को ऑथराइज कितना दिया था, 1 लाख का अथॉरिटी दिया था, उसमें से जितना भी बचा होगा वो मेरा होगा रिजर्व कैपिटल. क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes.
Okay. So next is you can say debenture. Do you have like anyone has any idea what is debenture? आप लोग ने किसी ने भी इन्वेस्ट किया है कभी शेयर्स वगैरह में या डिबेंचर्स में?
No.
ठीक है, यू कैन से दैट डिबेंचर लाइक ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, लाइक वो कंपनी आपको लाइक रिटर्न में देती है. जैसे कि अगर आपने यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस कंपनी, so they give you the instrument in return given by the company, that is I have debt received from the public. So this is an instrument you can see over here. So it's an opportunity to investment. It's a features like it's an instrument of debt, you can say that. Fixed rate of dividend. If you have like invested in debentures now, you will get the fixed rate of return. It's a part of borrowed capital. That means it's not your own. You have to borrow from your public. Repaid after a long period. When you are like receiving the from the public, like if you are receiving the money from the public as a name for the debentures, you have to pay after the long period. And generally it's secured only. They get the as a security. Like when you have to like buy the debentures now, you have to give some securities. ओके, तो दिखता भी ऐसे ही है, अगर आप देख सकते हो इमेज में, जो फर्स्ट इमेज जो था दिखता भी वैसे ही है। डिवेंचर का सर्टिफिकेट ऐसा होता है, लाइक यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस कंपनी, you have investment so and so amount, you will get the so and so percentage, and you will get the refund in so and so time, ऐसा वहां पे लिखा भी होगा। ओके, so you can see the difference between shares and debenture over here. The person holding shares is called shareholder. The person who is holding debenture is called debenture holder. They have given you the differences between, you can see that. Share capital is the own capital, because shareholder are the owner of the company. So they own the capital from their self. And it's debenture is borrowed capital. They borrow from the outside publics, you can say that. And on the shares, dividend is paid. On the debenture, interest is paid. In the shares, having a voting rights also. In the debenture, there is no voting rights and all, because they are outsiders public. But shares are the owners of the company. Shareholder are the owner of the company. So you can say that they are having the voting rights also. They can't convert into the debenture. You can say that the share can't be converted into debenture. But if I want to, if I am having a debenture, but I want to convert into the share, I can do that. If you are having a share, if you want to convert into debenture, you cannot convert. But if you are having a debenture, you want to convert into share, you can easily convert it. Clear that? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so next topic is, not next topic, next is issue of share capital. Last one is, whenever you are issuing the share to the public, you can issue at discount, par and premium. You can give to the public. See, market में कैसा होता है, अगर कुछ नई चीजें आई रहेगी तो you get the discount also ना. While you are purchasing something, you get discount. So in this situation, what happens? While company issue the share, na, they give you the discount also. Sometimes they give you at par, मतलब no profit and no loss. 100 का shares 100 में ही, 10 का shares 10 में ही, like something like that. Sometimes they issue the shares at premium also. But as per the Companies Act 2013, share cannot be issued at discount. In the Act 1956, you were issue the discount shares, but currently you cannot issue a. So most of probably company can share the issue at par, at premium also. Probably at par only, but sometimes they issue at premium also. Okay. But as per the new act, you cannot, like share cannot be issued at discount. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So in this, what do you have learned? What did you learn? So you have learned that what is company, types of company, what is share capital, types of share capital, what is debentures, difference between shares and debentures, and last one is issue of share capital. Clear everyone? Anyone has any doubt in any points? You did not understand about what is company, types of and all? Anything? Everyone got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll stop over here. We have completed our 3 topic. So from tomorrow we'll continue with fourth topic, that is depreciation. So our next topic is depreciation. We'll continue tomorrow. Just revise first chapter, second chapter and third chapter. Okay.
Yes,
Just go
ma'am.
through. Okay, so we'll continue next topic tomorrow.